In this tutorial, we're diving deep into a powerful strategy that combines two key indicators on TradingView: the range breakout and the triple trend indicator. This setup helps us catch high probability breakout trades while staying aligned with the market trend. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, stocks, or commodities, this strategy is versatile and effective across all assets and time frames. Before we dive into the tools, let's understand the core idea. Markets often move in cycles, periods of consolidation, sideways movement, followed by breakouts, sharp moves. Many traders get caught in false breakouts or trade against the trend. Our goal is to detect valid breakout zones, confirm trend direction, avoid false breakouts. We'll use range breakout indicator to identify when price is leaving a consolidation zone, triple trend indicator to confirm whether we are in an uptrend or downtrend, helping us filter only high-quality trades. Open TradingView and go to any chart. For this tutorial, we'll use Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart. Click on the indicators icon at the top. Search for range breakout. Look for the one created by Bluega. Click to add it to your chart. Why use it? The market often consolidates before making a strong move. This indicator automatically draws the upper and lower boundaries of the range and highlights breakout moments when price breaks above or below the range. When price breaks above the upper range, it signals a potential bullish breakout. When price breaks below the lower range, it signals a bearish breakout. Step 3. Adjusting range breakout settings. Let's make it smarter and safer. Open the indicator settings, click the gear icon, enable the option Filter by Trend. Why? Sometimes price breaks a range temporarily and reverses, a false breakout. The filter helps reduce those by only signaling breakouts that align with the trend. Step 4. Adding the triple trend indicator. We need to confirm the trend before acting on any breakout. That's where this indicator comes in. Click Indicators again, search for triple trend, and add it to your chart. Open its settings, set the length to 300 for a stronger long-term view. Turn on bar colors. You can change the color scheme if you like. Why use it? The triple trend plots 3 smooth moving average lines. If price is above all 3 lines, we're in a confirmed uptrend. If price is below all 3, we're in a confirmed downtrend. This helps filter trades. We only take breakout signals in the direction of the trend. Step 5. How to trade with this strategy. We only take trades in the direction of the overall trend. Here's how. Buy setup, long trade. Price is above all 3 triple trend lines. A bullish breakout occurs. Price breaks above the upper range. Enter the trade after the candle closes above the range. Place a stop loss slightly below the recent swing low or below the middle of the range box. Set a take profit at 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Sell setup, short trades. Price is below all 3 triple trend lines. A bearish breakout occurs. Price breaks below the lower range. Enter the trade after the candle closes below the range. Place a stop loss slightly above the recent swing high or above the middle of the range. Set a take profit at 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For long trades, price is above all 3 triple trend lines, uptrend. Range breakout indicator shows a bullish breakout. Price breaks above the upper range. Enter a buy trade when the candle closes above the upper range. Set stop loss slightly below the recent swing low or below the middle of the range. Set take profit using a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For short trades, price is below all 3 triple trend lines, downtrend. Range breakout indicator shows a bearish breakout. Price breaks below the lower range. Enter a sell trade when the candle closes below the lower range. Set stop loss slightly above the recent swing high or above the middle of the range. Set take profit with a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. Now let's analyze several real trades, including both winning and losing ones, to understand how this strategy works in different market conditions. Inside the range breakout settings, you can enable the filter by trend option. This will automatically filter out breakouts that go against the overall market direction. It adds another layer of safety to your trading. Why this strategy works? Combines breakout momentum with overall trend direction. Filter out false signals using trend confirmation. Clear entry and exit rules. Works across all time frames and markets. Try this strategy on a demo account first. Once you feel confident, move to live trading with proper risk management. You'll start seeing the market more clearly and avoid random emotional trades. Stay consistent, stick to the plan, and let the strategy do the work.